The fuel door release in the Chevy Malibu is a lever located inside the car, typically below the driver's side dashboard or on the floor near the seat. First, ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the engine off. Engage the parking brake for safety. Locate the T-shaped handle or lever marked with a gas pump icon. Firmly pull or press it, applying about 5 to 10 pounds of force. Exit the vehicle and go to the fuel door located on the rear driver's side. If the fuel door doesn't pop open automatically, gently push or pull it to access the gas tank. Always ensure the fuel door is securely closed after refueling to prevent evaporative emissions. The Malibu's fuel door system is generally reliable, but sticking latches can occur, especially in extreme weather. If the fuel door is stuck, try lubricating the latch with WD-40. For 2022 Malibu models, a recall addressed faulty latch cables, so check if your vehicle was affected. While newer models may incorporate digital features, the current system is primarily mechanical for reliability. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual for specific details, as minor variations can exist. Regular checks can prevent issues, but the Malibu's design is cost-effective and fail-safe.